to be showing you a quick crochet style using the free tress braid hippie lock 30 inches, and this color is caramel. As you can see, it's a combination of different colors. So I have 2 packs of this, and then I have 1 pack of this black and gray I have from before. So I'm just going to use that to crochet my daughter's hair. So we don't want the crochet braids to be too much. So I'm going to start by having individual braids in front like so. So I have 5 on each side. And I'm also going to use individual ones all around the perimeter. That way, if she wants to put the hair up in a ponytail, you still have that illusion of being in a ponytail. And then I'll fast forward it and show you just maybe 8 cornrows on the inside, and then we'll get crocheting in no time. I have gone ahead to add a leave-in conditioner for her hair. I used the Kentu leave-in conditioner. So this one is really handy. It also comes in a leave-in conditioning spray if you prefer the spray. And then we're going to be finishing off with foam wrap or a styling mousse. And then for the daily care for this braid, you want to use braid spray every day. And then for her scalp, I'm using Shine and Jam to moisturize her scalp when I part the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and just fast forward it, and then I'll be back when I'm done with the cornrows to show you what it looks like. So I'm just going to be adding individual braids all around the perimeter of the hair. If today is your first time joining me, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. So this is the free tress braid I'm using. I'm using the free tress hippie lock. I don't know if you can see that. Using the free tress hippie lock. So it says it's 2 times, so 2 times the volume. So each pack has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there are 24 strands in 1 pack. And then this one I'm mixing it with also has 24 strands. So I'm using 3 packs altogether. Like I said, I don't want the hair to be too full. It's long. So that way she's able to hold it up in cornrows. So you can see how big the braids are. So you want to make sure your cornrows are also big as well. So we're going to start by filling the whole perimeter. So in front here I have 10. On the side I have 4, and here I have 1. So all around I have 19. And then we'll just have a lot of gaps inside and try and fill the front. That way she can leave it down and put it up. I put a side part here because she prefers to wear in a side part, and that I have the braids crossed at that point, and the remaining braids pretty much I just braided all the way to the back. Okay, so we are going to start now. We're going to mix the ratio of 2 to 1 because we have so give me 1 of that for every 2. So to crochet is very easy. You just put your hook through here. Like so. I don't know if you can see me. So you hook the hair, put down the lash, you pull through, and then bring the end here, through the hook again, pull down the latch and pull it through the hoop. So this one you just loop once, okay, and that's all. All right, so I'm going to fast forward it, and then when I get to the closer to the end, I will maybe slow it down or just fast forward it all through. I have other videos of crochet on my channel if you want to check it out. Today I'm mainly showing you the cornrow pattern, so just turn it off. Crochet here, you just arrange it where you want it to go, and then I gave her a side part here, and then she turns to the side here, so hold on, so you see the front here, so when she wants to even take it up like this, you have that illusion of single braids in front, or she can do a half like I said, daily care for this hair is to use braid spray every day on the scalp and on the body of the braids. This will keep it from getting frizzy and keep your gray hair. I'm going to be using a little bit of mousse to tint that, so any foam wrap or mousse will do. So I'll just take a little bit like so and just use that to smoothen this curly hair in between down. So the mousse you can also apply all through the crochet braids. Ponytail, you just pull through and just leave it halfway. Okay, and then you have like a messy bun right there. So that would be all for this hair. So any last words, or how does it feel?
It feels very light, and I really like the length and color, how long it is.
Okay, until next time when we bring you another video.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.